下共享今日主题：量子纠缠，超越时空束缚。集数栏目21集是异次元解密。首先共享时间是最重要的资源，名人名言。现代管理学之父奥地利的彼得·杜拉克 Peter Drucker 说，时间是最珍贵的资源，不能管理时间，便什么也无法管理了。时间管理意指管理时间轴上在特定时间内所涌入的人事时地物，因此时间管理首重心的安定。其次，爱因斯坦名言，时间、空间与物质是人类认知的错误，因为我人在三维空間所見永遠是狹隘的絕對時間觀，因此是一種錯誤。2012年量子糾纏 Quantum Entanglement 理論問世，證實當幾個粒子在彼此交互作用之後，由於各個粒子所擁有的特性已綜合成為整體性質，無法單獨描述各個粒子的性質，只能描述整體系統的性質。這個現象是為量子糾纏。量子糾纏最重要的關鍵，吹破愛因斯坦的心結，誤認客觀世界所有粒子的傳送速度都必須被判定在光速之內。但量子糾纏理論則指稱，糾纏態中的粒子相隔千萬里，卻能維持同步反應。這證實距離不存在於量子糾纏態。一言之，空間距離只是一個幻象。一言之，當代量子糾纏 Quantum Entanglement 物理學指出，因為電子自旋運動的 spin motion 帶來角動量 angular momentum 的原理，也已證實，就量子糾纏而言，時間與空間早已被超越，不復存在。在量子糾纏時代，眾生都該學習活在當下 to live in the real moment， 認識本心，超越時間空間二元對立的纏縛，方能借由視自本心，證悟本性，此即成佛之道。以下共享聖玄結論：不是本心，學法無益。六祖壇經云：不是本心，學法無益。若視自本心，見自本性，即名丈夫天人師佛。經典教導，本心意指見道之心，超越二元對立一切煩惱，直入湛然常寂不二中道的境界。至於本性，則彰顯終基本質如如不動的空性 emptiness 的寂滅涅槃特性 nirvana。行者如若不建立對本心的正確認知，則所修之法全屬心外求法。心外求法就是邪魔外道，令人入大險坑。學佛無他，就是明心見性。明心是時時照見自己不二中道的本心，見性則是彰顯本心終極面目如如不動的空性寂滅特性。覺其軒永遠走在時代魅力前沿，即日起全面雙語播出，用心教會全球每一位讀者。覺其軒是眾生的直燈引路人。Let's share today's topic, Quantum Entanglement, Beyond the Constraints of Time and Space, Volume and Column, Number 21, Ultimate Dimension Decryption. Time as the most important resource. Celebrity quotes. Peter Drucker, the father of modern management from Austria, said, Time as the most precious resource. If you can't manage time, you can't manage anything. Time management means managing the influx of people, events, time, places, and things within a specific time frame on the timeline. Therefore, the most critical aspect of time management is peace of mind. Secondly, Einstein's famous quote, time, space, and matter are errors of human perception. Because we live in a three-dimensional space, what we see is always a narrow view of absolute time, therefore as a misconception. The theory of quantum entanglement was introduced in 2012, confirming that when several particles interact, the properties of individual particles merged into a collective whole, making it impossible to describe the properties of the individual particles separately. Instead, only the properties of the entire system can be described. This phenomenon is called quantum entanglement. The most crucial aspect of quantum entanglement debunks Einstein's misconception that the transmission speed of all particles in the objective world must be limited to the speed of light. However, quantum entanglement theory indicates that entangled particles, even when separated by vast distances, can maintain synchronous reactions, proving that distance does not exist in an entangled state. In other words, spatial distance is merely an illusion. Furthermore, contemporary quantum entanglement physics points out that due to the principle of angular momentum brought about by the spin motion of electrons, it confirms that in terms of quantum entanglement, time and space have long been transcended and no longer exist. In the era of quantum entanglement, all beings should learn to live in the real moment and recognize their true mind. By transcending the dualistic entanglement of time and space, one can realize one's true nature and attain to entanglement, which is the path to Buddhahood. Let's share Master Shangxian's conclusion. Without understanding one's true mind, studying the Dharma is useless. In Platform Sutra of the Sixth Patriarch, it states, non-realization of true nature, non-benefit Dharma learning. If one recognizes their true nature and perceives their inherent character, they are called a true practitioner, a teacher of sentient and celestial beings, and a Buddha. The scripture's teaching is as follows. The term true nature refers to the mind of awakening, transcending all dualistic oppositions, and directly entering the state of non-duality middle way. As for ultimate reality, signifies the ultimate nature, the state of emptiness, the stillness of nirvana. If practitioners do not establish correct recognition of the true nature, then the methods they cultivate are all eternal to the mind. The external path is similar to following evil spirits and seeking the path out of mind, leading one into great danger. The essence of learning Buddhism lies in sublimating the soul and perceiving one's true nature. Realizing the mind means continuously seeking non-dual middle way, while perceiving nature entails manifesting the ultimate aspect of the mind, which is the emptiness and the stillness of nirvana. The enlightened online, forever leading the charm of the times, officially launched overall bilingual broadcast, dedicated to enriching every reader worldwide. The enlightened online, the guiding light for all beings.